Hi guys, today we're gonna convert the KMZ file into Shapefile. So first of all we have to go to the Google Earth, and let's say here is a glacier. I have to work on this. So first of all I want to tell you this is a pin. You can add a place mark, or you can draw a polygon, or add a path, and rest of things you can do that wherever you want. So let's say I want to mark a place mark. I want to hit here and just name it as glacier. Glacier. So what I want to do is save. So it's become a place mark, and let's say I want also a polygon. So what I'm gonna do is just click on it and want to start, because there is an internet issue here, so I can't zoom it properly. If I zoom, it starts to blur, so I will do rough work. So just you have to click this way, and then you can say here is your polygon is done, and then you can say OK, and you can write anything you want to say, like as glacier. So you can write your own descriptions, whatever you want. I say OK. Now I have two features. One is a point, other is polygon. So I want to use one thing. I just want to add a folder. So just name is my name. My name says my name James. And what I'm gonna do is put both of these into this folder, into this James folder. So so that I can easily convert both features easily to the KMZ file, and I can import it into the ArcGIS. Let's say I have only two features here, and you can work on a large project where you have multiple paths, lines, polygons, and points. What then? You can do. Let's say I'm gonna convert this into the KMZ file. So what I'm gonna do is just go and save my place. So you can see here camel file. I can say, let's say glacier's camel file is done. So there are total two. So you can easily convert them into the KMZ file. But there are a lot of features like polygons, lines, points. There are a lot of paths. Then what? So for that you have to create a folder like what I told you, and then you have to just drag and drop these into the folder, or you can first create a folder, or then you can work on that. So what I'm gonna do is save my place, either from here or either from the file, wherever I want. So I'm gonna save that, and then James, and you can see there are two files, camel and KMZ, but I just work with the camel file, not the KMZ. So you have to save in the camel, and OK, save on the desktop if I'm not wrong, James. Yeah, that's all. Now what I have to do is to import into the ArcGIS. So what I'm gonna do is search for the camel. Now you can see from camel. Now what I'm gonna do is camel to layer. So I just click on that, and then I'm gonna search for that camel file that I had just done the work. It's OK, and now I have to give the output path. Let's say I have to give it on this rough folder, and whatever I'm gonna name it. Sorry, just click on this, and OK, and just here is the name is optional. OK, no need to no need to write a name. Just click on this new folder and just add, and here is the name, or you can change that. just click on that until that convert the shapefile. Enjoy the music. Right here you can see it has been converted, that point and the polygon. So that's all, guys. You can see there is nothing displayed, just the point is displayed and the glacier is not. So you can see here, you just click on this and this you can click on wherever you like the color. Let's say I say glacier and I give it its proper color. So glacier, yeah, okay. So now here is here is the glacier. So you can just right click on this, you can see here now. Now the last and the final thing is that you have to convert this into the shapefile. It's just layer. You can't process on this like you can clip, merge or anything in processes. So you have to convert it into the shapefile. Just you have to right click on the polygon, data, export data, and just navigate to your desired folder. So now let's say again this is my desired folder and just output name, just okay, and you have to click on the whatever you want. If you want to convert to the database, person file, let's say I have to convert into the shapefile, just save it. Okay, and you can see the proper shapefile. This is a layer. You can't work on the layer. Most of the results goes wrong. It's not work properly. So you have to convert this into the shapefile. So here is it, guys. So we have converted the KMZ file into the shapefile. Thank you, guys. That's all.